Hello everyone, welcome back to NISHANA'S recipe notes. Today I am going to show you how to prepare egg fried rice. For preparing this, here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. First of all, wash the rice properly 2 or 3 times, then soak it for 20 minutes and drain the water. Take 6 or 7 cups of water in a vessel and heat it by adding 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon extract, and the required amount of salt. When the water starts boiling, add the rice into it and stir well. Keep it over medium flame until the rice is well cooked. Yes, it has almost done now. It should not be overcooked. When the rice is cooked 90 to 95%, strain it by using a sieve or colander. The vegetables I'm using are onion, beans, carrot and capsicum. We can also use spring onion, the white part and green part instead of onion. But here I do not have that now, so I am adjusting with the onion. Heat 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a Kadai pan. Add the chopped vegetables one by one into this. First of all, we can add onion, then beans, sort them well, then cover the lid and cook for a few minutes. Add the rest of the vegetables, capsicum and carrot. Saute again and add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder into this. Combine well. Cover the lid and cook for a few minutes. By the time we can prepare the egg mix, break 2 eggs into a bowl, add salt and pepper, then mix it well. Now the vegetables are almost cooked. Keep all the vegetables to the sides of the pan. Then pour the egg mix into the center of the pan. Allow it to cook. Then scramble it slowly. Now we have scrambled the egg nicely. Next we can add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce into this, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix it well. Now we can add the cooked rice into this. Little by little we can add and mix it well. For getting a nice flavor to our fried rice, add 1 teaspoon of ghee into this and then give them a good mix. Combine all the ingredients very well. Our fried rice is almost ready now. Garnishing it with chopped coriander leaves or spring onion will give it a nice look. It is too tasty and delicious. So try this recipe and give your feedback in comments in the comment box. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon too for getting notifications on my updates. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye.